Hey guys, it's John V here with PhoneArena. I'm doing a quick hands-on look at the JLab Epic Sport Wireless Earbuds. They're available right now. You can pick them up for $100 online. As the name implies, it's really for those fitness-centric people out there. Now there are three things that really stand out to me. The first one involves its design. It features an IP66 rating, so it is sweat-proof. If you're going to be using this for workouts, exercising at the gym, it's going to handle all of that. I also like the snug fit that it offers. I could feel that it stays in place. It also has this secure tip memory wire. You could actually mold it to actually hug your ear correctly, so it stays on there. The second thing is that it features custom equalizer sound settings that are built into the headphones. It's not an app. So basically you just hold down the volume up, volume down buttons at the same time, and it'll basically cycle through the different modes. You have signature, balance, and bass boost. And I do like the audio quality too. It has a very punchy and robust tone to it. And finally, the JLab Epic Sport Wireless has pretty good longevity because its battery is rated for 12 hours of use. So that's going to give you plenty of time to use them. Obviously, if you're big into workouts and you need a pair of Bluetooth headphones that's going to handle your workouts, the JLab Epic Sport Wireless isn't a bad option. At $100, it seems like a reasonable thing. You have those custom equalizer settings and a pretty good audio quality so far from what I'm hearing. So if you guys want to learn more about these headphones, you could check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.